Your teeth are far more than just a part of your appearance. They are essential tools for living your life. When someone loses that function, the feeling of vulnerability is intense. Scammers are experts at sniffing out that desperation. They use it to fuel their bank accounts. You might have seen the ads for Soviren lately. The photos show glowing smiles and perfect results. The prices are shockingly low. It feels like a breakthrough for anyone on a budget. But this is where the danger starts. There is a massive difference between a real dental clinic and a viral marketing scheme. A legitimate business named Sovereign actually exists. They employ licensed professionals. They operate out of physical offices. They follow strict medical protocols. But the internet is currently crawling with imitators. These are the people selling what they call instant dentures. They promise you can skip the dentist entirely. They claim you will receive a perfect fit through the mail for the price of a dinner out. This is a complete fabrication. Your mouth is as unique as your fingerprint. No piece of plastic from a warehouse can account for your specific jaw structure. Real dentures are sophisticated medical devices. They require precise impressions of your gums. They need bite alignment checks. A professional has to ensure the teeth meet correctly. This process usually takes several appointments and weeks of adjustment. These online ads throw all of that out the window. They want you to believe that a one-size-fits-all product will solve your problems. The reality is much darker. People on forums like Reddit are sharing their horror stories. They describe opening a package only to find something that looks like a cheap toy. These items often do not fit at all. They are bulky and uncomfortable. Some users report they cannot even close their mouths while wearing them. It is a total waste of money and a massive blow to your confidence. Beyond the financial loss, there is a real physical risk. Wearing something that does not fit your mouth is dangerous. It causes painful gum irritation. It can lead to infections. It can even cause long-term damage to your jawbone. These scammers do not care about your health. They use stolen photos from real dentists to trick you. They fill their sites with fake reviews. If a deal seems too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Real medical care is not sold like a viral gadget. You cannot shortcut your way to a healthy smile. If you see an ad promising instant results with no professional fitting, close the tab. Check for a physical address and a valid medical license. Look for reviews on independent sites that the company cannot censor. Your oral health is worth the extra effort. Do not let a slick video and a low price tag lead you into a trap. See a real dentist. Get a real fitting. Protect yourself from the people who see your health as nothing more than a chance to make a quick buck. Stay sharp and keep your standards high. Your smile is too important to leave to chance. There are no shortcuts when it comes to your body. Always prioritize professional care over a social media promise. Be careful where you click. Don't be the next victim of a clever marketing trap. Your health deserves much better than a piece of mail order plastic.